Good morning, guys.
स्टार्ट हो गया.
Welcome to Home of
Tea
Bow
Garden in Bo.
in Cameron
No, can you
Highlands.
just delete this one?
For decades, Cameron Highlands has attracted visitors to its cool jungles, quaint Tudor-style houses, fresh vegetables, and fragrant teas. Do you know that Cameron Highlands is one of the most fertile agricultural spots in Malaysia? You can see the greeneries all over. This is above 5,000 feet above sea levels in the mountain range of Malaysia. The tea and its true character of BOH tea is greatly influenced by the conditions at the tea estates, namely high altitudes, low temperatures, abundant rainfall, and acidic soil. With amazing landscapes and stunning panoramic views, the plantations are truly picturesque. Malaysia is known for many things, but it is one of the most vibrant and alluring parts of Southeast Asia. I could see a tea farm and the tea factory as well. Inside the tea factory premises, I was not allowed to take pictures or videos. So this is the view of the BOH tea farm, and there is one premises. There is a cafe and there are many shops where you can buy a local tea and many flavor tea as well. And I really had great time sitting in the cafe and ordering my food. And the food there was really very nice, and it was worth it actually. Price was not that much. It was quite reasonable. So it is well known for its fascinating fusion of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous cultures all living in harmony in Malaysia, and courtesy of a shared trading history and a rich heritage. So now we are going towards tea factory. So there are many varieties of tea leaves and tea granules are kept outside the tea factory, and after this we are not allowed to take pictures or videos. So this is the factory entrance, like Pintu Masuk Kalang means like factory entrance in English. So we were a team of 22 people, and then we explored the BOH tea farm, and we all had great trip to Cameron Highlands in Malaysia. And this is one of the best attraction in Cameron Highlands and must visit actually. This diversity translates into an amazing culinary experiences for anyone lucky enough to visit. Malaysia is also famous for the splendid beaches, tropical rainforest, and of course the lush landscapes of Cameron Highlands, the home of BOH, and where 70% of all tea in Malaysia is produced. There are huge number of tourists coming almost every day, and I could chit chat with few of them, and they were very friendly, and they talked to me in local language and they translated for me. So it was great time talking to the local people as well, because not only people from outside world are visiting Cameron Highlands due to its diverse nature and a beautiful panoramic view, but also that really made my day. BOH tea day, you know, and these are the jute like sacks. I think this is used for storage.